My name's Kenneth Green, and just found LeafFilter on the internet and contacted them, and they came out and gave me an estimate on the on my home, and was very pleased with the sales rep. She was very professional, and she gave me an estimate, and then we worked on the price a little bit, and there was just some adjustments, and we had the went ahead and signed the contract, and would recommend LeafFilter to anyone. They were very professional. They did a professional job of installing the product. I could speak, I mean, I was just amazed at the work that the installers did. They cleaned the gutters, they professionally aligned the gutters, and caulked everything, and the product was excellent.